Pop the smoke grenade. They can't see him.
How can you shoot them if you can't see them, Tyler?
Oh, there's one.
Down there. Down there.
Thank God for the pinging feature. I couldn't see that guy at all. He's gonna parkour on top of him. Ow! Oh shit! Oh my God, they're all shooting at me. Ah! Oh no! I have nowhere to take cover.
Smoking out.
Oh
No.
shit, they put you down like a dog.
Yeah, they're like one under you, one to the side, and then one under that pillar.
You think we can take them?
I think so.
It depends on how many meds they have.
They do sound like they have a lot of meds. They just keep medding up.
Yeah, there's one in that tunnel to your left, man.
Oh, that's a Venator.
You good? Jesus fuck.
Yeah, he just shot me like 4 times. And I almost died. That's pretty much what happened.
Is that a different team? Yeah.
We do a little Viet Cong.
Oh my fucking god.
It's me and you now, buddy. What are we gonna do? And play the game.
You just look for a e-girl girlfriend, gamer girl.
Oh, e-girls. Tyler, you gotta talk to me with the voice changer in game.
Someone's trying to take the train out. Not on our watch.
You can't get to the train this way? You
Oh.
can get up there.
3 guys on me down that hallway.
Wait, how'd you
Oh
get
shit!
there?
Run back, David. Run back. Run even farther back than the fucking thing. Oh no!
Where are they?
At the very bottom.
Down there.
If you guys want to wait there, I can flank around them by going this way.
I have plenty of ammo to distract with. Can you step into my bullets, please?
Alright. Hold on.
Oh, he's smoking us?
Grenade,
Down wall.
grenade, 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 grenade.
Fucking
other?
roasting them.
Down?
They're all gonna push out.
You down? Tell me about the potion, Tyler. Oh. Venator.
Throwing fucking instant bombs at them.
It fucking worked, Jesus.
Down there.
Oh my god. Hello.
They're still not dead.
Making sure people don't.
Lord.
push us.
Oh Lord. Ow.
Oh my god. What's going on down there? Alright, if we lose to these guys, it's pretty over.
Oh my god.
I don't know where the other ones are. I kind of heard something like to the left, that over that direction.
They're like not even throwing them out the door.
Put
They're
your
stuck to the
foreskins
right.
in the air.
Take cover.
Ow.
So smoky. fuck that guy up.
Another team. Get out.
I got a lot of ammo. It's alright.
I like it. Then nothing. I gotta like
got another
reheal.
one. This thing is fucking retarded.
Yeah, it's OP.
David discovers Venator's OP. Oh.
Oh yeah, yoink that voice skin.
Pull it up. Cross.
Rubber by me
They-
here.
They have Venators.
They're getting attacked by another group, I think.
Yeah. In that hallway there. Come on, follow me in here, you fuck.
Oh, I downed him in one hit.
Oh my god, they have a thing. Holy shit!
Cover.
Their room is there. That hallway is death. Oh no!
Dead.
I hit someone's shield with that nade.
Motion up to.
I popped one. Pull it back up.
I downed one.
Oh, I'm down.
I cannot see anything.
Over there.
Got them all.
Time for the long honk shoe and wah.